Meaning of director's chair.
Director's chair.
Director's chair.
Director's chair.
Director's chair. A director's chair is a type of folding chair that is typically used by the director or other important crew member on a film set. It is characterized by its tall, sturdy frame and canvas seat and backrest, which can be removed for easy cleaning or replacement. The chair often features a personalized design that includes the name of the user or the name of the production company. Director's chairs are also popular as lightweight, portable seating for outdoor events such as camping trips, concerts, and sports games.